Well, where do you start? And what does it all mean? What's the point of investing? How to start investing. You can start investing right now if you check out the link that I put in the description for Robinhood. If you use my link, you get a free stock, I get a free stock. It helps the channel and you can start investing today. So, how to start investing? I really think that financial literacy is something that at least my generation is lacking and younger generations are lacking. It's something that's not taught in school, and I really see this and I want to make it my mission to share with you any knowledge of finance and investing that I have, and I want to help you in any way that I can. And if you can let me know any topics that you might want me to talk about or anything you have questions on, please leave a comment down below. I really want to know how to better serve you so I can utilize this channel to help anyone as much as I can. You might hear people talk about investing in stocks, investing in real estate, mutual funds, crypto. Well, where do you start? And what does it all mean? What's the point of investing? The point of investing in a stock or real estate or even crypto is that you're going to buy something at a certain price, and in the future it's going to be worth more. So take, for example, $30,000 in cash. If I took the $30,000 in cash, put it away in the drawer, leave it there for 3 to 5 years. When I take it out, $30,000 again. But if I take that $30,000 and I buy a new car with it, aside from the fact that the car is going down in value, that same car that was $30,000 in 3 to 5 years, that car might be $32,000, $35,000. And what this is called is inflation. Over time, things cost more money, but the value doesn't increase. Just the value of the dollar is going down. So it costs more money to get that same thing. What's the best way to beat inflation? The best way to beat inflation is through investing. Instead of just leaving your money sit on the table or sit in the drawer, you're investing that money in something that can grow, like stocks and real estate. And then somebody might ask, well, why don't I just put the money in the bank? Isn't the bank where you're supposed to put your money and your money will grow with interest? Yes, but from a quick Google search, I looked up what's the average interest rate that a savings bank is paying, and the average interest rate in a bank account is 0.46%, which is not even 0.5% a year on your money that you have in the bank. And that's not a lot of money. The bank is using that money, and during that time that you have the money in the bank's taking the money and they're investing it elsewhere, and they're just using your money that you put in the bank. So where's a good place for your money? In my opinion, based on the last 13 years of investing, I think the S&P 500 is the best place for your money. Well, what's that? The S&P 500 is just a basket of funds. It's called an index fund, where they take the 500 top companies in America and you buy partial shares of that company with just buying the one fund. And to simplify it, you can go in Robinhood, you can search SPY is the name of the fund, and I believe it's 500. Today it's trading at like 560 something dollars a share. But you can just take $10, $20, and Robinhood allows you to buy partial shares. So over time, you're getting a little bit of these great companies every single day without buying shares of Apple, shares of Amazon. And Warren Buffett even says, if you put your money in the S&P 500, that's better than trying to pick out individual stocks, because when you buy the S&P 500, you're buying a little piece of America. You're getting all these great companies in one. And if it's good enough for Warren Buffett, it's good enough for me. Also, why should I invest in stocks? Why can't I invest in real estate? Real estate is a tried and true vehicle to grow your money. However, there's a big barrier of entry. You need a big down payment, at least 20%, 20 to 30% on an investment property, depending. There's a lot of different scenarios. I'm not getting into real estate though. I'm only going to talk about stocks here. But with stocks, if you open up a Robinhood account today and you have $5 to invest in the S&P 500, you can put that $5 in and start your investment journey right now. How do I buy it? What do I do? Do I go on Amazon to buy the S&P 500? Well, all you do is download Robinhood. You can use the link I have in the description. You get a free stock, I get a free stock, everybody's happy. And you search for SPY and buy whatever you can towards the S&P 500 and you forget it. And you can watch it grow over time. Robinhood is very user-friendly. It's a really interactive platform. You can look at charts. You can look at live data on the costs of shares. You can look at different performances from year to year. And if you want to do something more long-term, like a Roth IRA, which I also recommend, you can use Vanguard, Charles Schwab, even a Robinhood Roth IRA. They're all good. If I can offer any advice, the most important piece of advice I would offer is start investing somewhere and start investing now. And you can kick off your investing journey right now with Robinhood. It's easy to do. Just download the app. Whether you use my link or not, I just want you to start investing right now. And please let me know in the comments where you are in your investing journey. Have you been investing for 10 years? Have you never invested before and you're just a little bit nervous? Have you been invested for 5 years, or are you already retired and living off your investments? Please let me know. And like I said, I really want to make good content that's helpful and useful. If you have any interests or anything you'd like me to talk about, please leave a comment and let me know how I can better serve you. Please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Take care.